This recipe succeeds where many medications fail. At 73, Robert from Texas couldn't walk to his mailbox without stopping twice. His knees felt like grinding glass. His doctor offered more pills. Then his Australian neighbor shared an old secret her grandmother used. She stuffed fennel seeds and fresh rosemary into soft dates. Robert thought it sounded crazy, but what happened after eating just 2 of these stuffed dates daily shocked his doctor 3 weeks later. When you pack aromatic fennel and powerful rosemary into nutrient-rich dates, something remarkable happens. The natural sugars in dates carry the healing compounds directly into your bloodstream. It's like a delivery system designed by nature. If it doesn't work for you, you've lost nothing. This is a potent recipe. Pay close attention and let's begin. So don't skip any problem. Each problem builds on the one before it. Problem number 1, chronic joint pain and morning stiffness. Remember Robert from the beginning? 3 weeks after starting this remedy, he was playing with his grandchildren on the floor, something he hadn't done in 5 years. When you wake up, your joints feel like rusty hinges that haven't moved in decades. Every step sends shooting pain through your knees, hips, or shoulders. This happens because inflammation builds up overnight when you're not moving. Fennel contains an ethylene, a compound that may help ease joint discomfort. Rosemary contains rosmarinic acid, which has soothing, supportive properties. Dates provide naturally occurring minerals like potassium and magnesium that support overall joint comfort. Take 2 large Medjool dates, make a small cut, and stuff with 1 teaspoon crushed fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon fresh chopped rosemary. Eat 2 of these daily, 1 in the morning and 1 before bed. The morning dose helps you move more easily, while the evening dose prevents overnight stiffness. Many people feel less morning stiffness within a few days. By week 2, joint mobility improves noticeably. After 1 month, many reduce their pain medications. The mistake people make is using dried rosemary from their spice rack. Fresh rosemary contains volatile oils that dried herbs lose. These oils penetrate deep into joint tissue where inflammation hides. Margaret, 68, couldn't eat dinner without looking 6 months pregnant afterward. The bloating was so bad that she had separate eating clothes and regular clothes. Your stomach produces less digestive acid as you age. Food sits there fermenting instead of being digested. Gas builds up, your belly swells, you feel miserable for hours after eating. Fennel seeds are nature's digestive miracle. They stimulate digestive enzyme production and relax intestinal muscles to release trapped gas. Prepare your stuffed dates the same way, but add a pinch of ground ginger to the fennel-rosemary mixture. Eat 1 stuffed date 30 minutes before your largest meal. This primes your digestive system. Margaret's bloating reduced by 80% within 4 days. She could wear her regular clothes to dinner parties again. Most people notice less gas within 24 hours and significantly better digestion within 1 week. Here's what nobody tells you. Chew each stuffed date at least 20 times. The digestive process starts in your mouth. Rushing through eating defeats the purpose. Some people notice improved blood pressure readings when they keep a consistent routine alongside a healthy lifestyle and their prescribed care. High blood pressure happens when your blood vessels become stiff and narrow. Your heart works overtime, pushing blood through these tight passages, like trying to water your garden through a kinked hose. Fennel contains potassium that naturally relaxes blood vessels. This routine provides naturally occurring potassium and other minerals. Rosemary improves blood vessel flexibility, while dates provide nitrates that open vessels wider. Same preparation, but eat your stuffed dates at the same time each day. Consistency matters for blood pressure. Morning and evening work best. Always with a glass of water to help absorption. Monitor your blood pressure daily if you take medication. You might need dosage adjustments as your numbers improve. Never stop medication without your doctor's guidance. The first week you might not notice much change. Week 2, afternoon readings start dropping. By week 4, even morning readings improve. After 2 months, many people achieve normal readings. Your brain needs 2 things to function well: good blood flow and low inflammation. Without these, thoughts move like molasses. Names escape you. Conversations become frustrating struggles. Rosemary contains carnosic acid, proven to protect brain cells and has been studied for memory support. Fennel provides antioxidants that clear brain fog. Dates supply natural glucose that fuels brain function without the crash from processed sugar. For brain health, use fresh or properly stored dried rosemary only, and pair the routine with gentle aromatherapy. Breathe in the steam from a warm rosemary fennel infusion, or use a diffuser nearby. Do not ingest essential oils. Mental clarity often improves within days to weeks. Memory sharpness returns gradually over 2-3 weeks. Many people report feeling mentally younger after 1 month. Never heat this mixture. Heat destroys the volatile compounds that benefit your brain. Room temperature or slightly cool works best. By 2 p.m., you're ready for bed. Everything feels like climbing Mount Everest. This exhaustion isn't normal aging. It's your cells crying for help. Fatigue happens when your mitochondria, the power plants in your cells, slow down. They can't produce energy efficiently. You feel drained even after resting. Dates provide natural B vitamins that boost cellular energy production. Fennel improves oxygen delivery to cells. Rosemary stimulates your adrenal glands naturally without the crash from caffeine. Prepare your remedy as usual, but eat 1 stuffed date mid-morning and another mid-afternoon. These times align with your natural energy dips. Never after 4 p.m. or sleep might suffer. Energy improvements are gradual but steady. Day 3 brings slightly better mornings. Week 1 shows improved afternoon energy. By week 3, all-day energy becomes your new normal. If you don't have fresh rosemary, choose fresh or properly stored dried herbs. Dorothy's feet were always ice cold, even in summer. Purple toes, numbness, and that pins and needle feeling plagued her constantly. After 2 weeks, her feet felt warm for the first time in years. Poor circulation means oxygen and nutrients can't reach your extremities. Blood pools in your lower legs. Healing slows. Every cut becomes a concern. Fennel may help blood vessels relax naturally. Rosemary increases nitric oxide production, improving blood flow naturally. Dates provide iron that helps carry oxygen through your bloodstream. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper to your fennel-rosemary mixture for an extra circulation boost. Start with just a tiny amount and increase gradually. Too much causes stomach upset. Warmth in extremities often improves within days. Leg cramps reduce within 1 week. Wounds heal faster after 2 weeks of consistent use. Michael hadn't slept through the night in 8 years. He'd wake at 2 a.m., then toss and turn until dawn. This remedy changed everything. Poor sleep isn't just annoying. It accelerates aging, weakens immunity, and clouds thinking. Your body repairs itself during deep sleep. Without it, you deteriorate faster. Dates contain tryptophan that converts to sleep-inducing melatonin. Fennel calms your nervous system naturally. Rosemary reduces the cortisol that keeps you wired at night. Eat 1 stuffed date 2 hours before bedtime, not right before bed, as digestion can interfere with sleep. Create a calming ritual around this evening remedy. The first night might bring deeper sleep. Within 3 nights, most people fall asleep more easily. By week 1, sleeping through the night becomes common. After 2 weeks, you wake refreshed instead of groggy. Every morning you hack up phlegm. Breathing feels like sucking air through a wet cloth. Stairs leave you gasping. Chronic congestion happens when mucus thickens and won't drain properly. Airways inflame. Oxygen exchange decreases. Your whole body suffers from poor breathing. Fennel is an expectorant that loosens stubborn mucus. Rosemary opens airways and fights respiratory infections. Dates soothe irritated throat tissues. For respiratory issues, lightly steam your stuffed dates for 30 seconds before eating. The warm vapor helps open airways immediately. Breathe the steam deeply before eating. Breathing often improves within hours. Morning congestion reduces within 3 days. After 2 weeks, many people breathe clearly for the first time in years. Despite their sweetness, dates have a low glycemic index when combined with fiber and fat. They release sugar slowly. Fennel improves insulin sensitivity. Rosemary helps cells use glucose more efficiently. Add 5 chopped almonds to your fennel-rosemary mixture before stuffing dates. The healthy fat slows sugar absorption even more. Perfect for stable energy. Blood sugar swings reduce within days. Afternoon crashes disappear within 1 week. After 1 month, many people report the most stable energy they've had in years. At 74, Barbara shrank 2 inches and broke her wrist just catching herself on a chair. Her bones had become dangerously fragile. Bone loss accelerates after 50, especially in women. Your body can't absorb calcium properly. Bones become porous and brittle. Fracture risk skyrockets. Dates provide calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium in perfect ratios for bone building. Fennel contains bone-strengthening minerals. Rosemary may help your body use nutrients effectively. For bone health, add 1 teaspoon of ground sesame seeds to your mixture. Sesame provides additional calcium in an easily absorbed form. Bone density improvements take time. After 3 months, many people show improved bone scans. But you'll feel stronger and more stable much sooner. Age, vision problems stem from poor circulation to the eyes and oxidative damage. Without proper nutrients, your eyes deteriorate faster. Fennel contains vitamin A and antioxidants that protect retinal cells. Rosemary improves blood flow to tiny eye capillaries. Dates provide zeaxanthin that prevents macular degeneration. Add a pinch of saffron to your mixture for ultimate eye protection. Expensive but worth it for vision preservation. Vision clarity often improves within 2 weeks. Night vision gets better after 1 month. Many people delay or avoid vision deterioration with consistent use. This is the secret that shocked researchers. Tom's cardiologist couldn't believe his test results after 3 months. His arterial age went from 78 to 55. Your heart is a muscle that never rests. It needs specific nutrients to keep beating strongly. When arteries clog with plaque, your heart works harder until it can't work anymore. This combination does something remarkable. Fennel reduces bad cholesterol by up to 25%. Rosemary prevents cholesterol oxidation that causes arterial plaque. Dates provide potassium that regulates heart rhythm and fiber that removes excess cholesterol. But here's the shocking part. When you combine all 3 together, this food-first routine may support cholesterol balance and comfortable arteries alongside a healthy lifestyle. For heart health, add 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed to your mixture. The omega-3s enhance the cardiovascular benefits dramatically. Cholesterol improvements show within 6-8 weeks. Blood pressure stabilizes. Energy increases as your heart works more efficiently. This isn't just treatment, it's restoration. Everything hurts when inflammation runs wild. Not just joints, but organs, blood vessels, even your brain. It's the hidden cause of most aging diseases. Chronic inflammation is like a slow fire burning inside you. It damages tissues, accelerates aging, and triggers numerous diseases. Fennel contains 27 different anti-inflammatory compounds. Rosemary has rosemarinic acid, more powerful than many prescription anti-inflammatories. Dates provide antioxidants that neutralize inflammatory free radicals. For maximum anti-inflammatory effect, use organic ingredients only. Pesticides increase inflammation, defeating your purpose. Inflammation markers and blood tests improve within 4-6 weeks. Pain decreases. Energy increases. You feel younger because you're literally less inflamed. Getting up 4 times nightly to urinate exhausts you. Urgency hits suddenly. Sometimes you don't quite make it. These problems steal your dignity and sleep. Kidney function naturally declines with age. They filter less efficiently. Toxins build up. Bladder control weakens. Fennel is a natural diuretic that helps the kidneys flush toxins without depleting minerals. Rosemary protects kidney cells from damage. Dates provide potassium that supports healthy kidney function. Drink extra water with this remedy to support kidney flushing. Aim for 8 glasses daily, spread throughout the day. Nighttime urination often reduces within 1 week. Urgency improves. Kidney function tests show improvement after 2 months. Every bug finds you. Colds last weeks instead of days. Wounds heal slowly. Your immune system isn't protecting you anymore. Your immune system weakens from years of stress, poor nutrition, and inflammation. It can't recognize threats or mount proper defenses. This combination boosts immunity naturally. Fennel provides vitamin C and antimicrobial compounds. Rosemary contains powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Dates supply minerals that support immune cell production. During the cold season, increase to 3 stuffed dates daily for prevention. If you feel something coming on, add raw garlic to your mixture. Immune improvements are gradual but significant. Fewer colds within the first month. Faster healing after 6 weeks. By 3 months, many people report the strongest immunity they've had in years. Remember to store prepared dates in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Make fresh batches every 3 days for maximum potency. Never use dates that seem too dry or crystallized, as they've lost their beneficial compounds. The complete healing power of this ancient remedy comes from consistency. 2 stuffed dates daily, every single day. Miss a day, and you interrupt the healing process. Your body needs steady supplies of these compounds to repair years of damage. Quality matters more than anything. Use organic Medjool dates, fresh rosemary from the produce section, and whole fennel seeds you crush yourself. Pre-ground spices have lost most of their healing oils. If you can't find quality ingredients locally, choose the freshest, best quality options available. Within days to a few weeks, many people notice the first improvements. Energy increases, digestion improves, sleep deepens. But the real transformation happens around week 3, when all systems start working together. Suddenly you realize you feel different, younger, stronger, more alive. This isn't just another health trend that disappears next year. Mediterranean peoples have used this exact combination for over 2,000 years because it works. Now you have their secret. Use it wisely, share it with others who need help, and watch your health transform naturally. Your healing journey starts with your first stuffed date tonight. Type your age below if you're ready to feel younger naturally. Subscribe for more ancient remedies that modern medicine ignores. Your healing journey starts with your first stuffed date tonight.